I was always looking out to learn a new language, and I decided to learn German. I searched a lot and got this platform of Voice German. I'm learning A2 now. In the Voice German app, we get all the recorded sessions of A1 and A2, so that whenever you have time according to your flexibility, you can watch the videos, and then there is a weekly live session wherein the trainer resolve all your doubts in a very, very easy manner.
I was looking for some good platform to learn this language, and I came across Voice German platform where the videos are made in a very simple manner, and the faculty is highly experienced. We have doubt removing, doubt clearing sessions every week, and the sir is also very approachable. You can contact him and he will always help you.
So after a long searching, I found the Voice of German. It's one of the great platform to learn German. And I already joined in A1 to B1 section. It's a very good section, and